This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jerri Bottom. Lovely Cape Cod home with rustic interior nestled in small community. Home is located just 15 minutes from public boat ramp at Fort Loudon Lake, 3 minutes from Tellico Industrial Park, and only 10 minutes to I-75. Master on main with 2 large bedrooms up. You're going to love the barn with sliding door and huge loft for storage. Showings begin Monday afternoon, August 30, 2021. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerri Bottom at 865-584-4000.